Welcome back, everyone. This is going to be kind of a short video today. Very recently, the ribbon right over here was updated to a new UI styling. You'll notice that when you hover over it, it doesn't fly out anymore automatically. This might be helpful if you kept moving your mouse over there and it got in the way of your work. It can now lock just like this. So when you click on it, it'll expand, and depending on the tab that you need, it will expand down, and then depending from there also out if it has a submenu. For the most part, everything is pretty close to the same. You could still tag stuff in My Products and Top Pages. The Overview tab is still the same. The Search tab works the same. Once you get to reporting, however, it changes a little bit. You'll see Performance Insights, Inbox Monitoring, and then a new flyout window for the classic reports. In the classic reports is where you will find single mailing, multiple mailing reports, and the report center. Moving one step down from there is the data tab, where you create databases and manage your data. Here it's easier to select queries, contact lists, because they're all right here for you, instead of having to navigate through a series of flyout windows. Now you'll notice in the data tab, your stored files are no longer here. To access your stored files, you actually have to now go into Content and then select Stored Files, and it will bring you to the exact same window and interface that they were in the data tab. The asset library is also located under Content. In the email tab, you'll find your standard emails and templates, drafts, tests and send, and your sent archive. All of these work exactly the same. Same thing for landing page. Automation is where you'll find your programs and any automated message groups that you may have. The scoring tab for all of your scoring models and alerts. And the applications tab for any applications that you have linked with your accounts. And then all of your settings. And from here, again, the settings expand down and then out depending on what you're looking for. And then you could click the small X at the very bottom and that will recollapse it out. Or if you don't need the ribbon at all, the blue box at the top with 3 lines in it, you can click on that and it will completely remove it off the screen for you. And to get it back, you just have to click on it again. Who is Lsc Digital? Everything we do is backed up by our quality data, meticulously collected and updated frequently by our team of experts. When you partner with Lsc, you have your own team of experts who will work with you to plan and execute all of the steps of an effective program, from strategy and audience selection to content development and promotion. Our team delivers campaigns that appeal and connect with your target customers. This is the intersection of data and strategy that brings results.